Hello students, it's time for our student success statement for today. And let's begin by reviewing our most recent statement, which came to us from Benjamin Franklin. Franklin taught, quote, "Great beauty, great strength, and great riches are really and truly of no great use. A right heart exceeds all." How true that is, young people. Having a right heart exceeds everything else. If you choose to have a right heart by choosing the right 100% 24/7, your heart will be right. Now let's move to our statement for today. It's going to answer the question, what matters most? The answer is going to come to us from Dale Murphy. Well, who's Dale Murphy? Well, let's just get a good overview of who Dale Murphy really is. Dale taught it that character is playing fair, being honest, doing it the right way. There's Dale Murphy. Remember this team right here, the Jackie Robinson West from Chicago, Illinois? Cheaters. Cheating is ugly, deplorable, and disgraceful. It is dirty, nasty, and filthy. It is the wrong way. Cheaters stink. So, what matters most? Character matters most. By Dale Murphy. Dale Murphy is the former Major League Baseball player for the Atlanta Braves, a home run slugger. He teaches us that character matters most.